This is nice. This is just freaking. Oh, I can't wait to cook in here.
So who's Mama?
Me. One of my favorite customers that I gotta feed like 5 times a day. Key wine you. I'm like, baby, what am I gonna call this? He like, you mama, you in the kitchen. Let's say mama's kitchen, and that's what it been. It just came to my mind. I'm like, boss lady, boss man. I'm like, they gonna one day run this place. Then that's my mini boss, because my baby gonna be working with me.
Where's that passion come from?
My grandmother. My grandmother. Also a couple years ago, but yeah, she's the inspiration behind it all. Whew.
And I saw you have your grandmother in the back there.
Yeah, it's like whenever she was in the kitchen, I was in the kitchen. She was the best. Like, if I could be half the grandma she was, I'd be perfect. Like, that's just how I feel. It's nothing she wouldn't do for us. She was everything to all of us. And it's a lot of us. Yeah. I'm the oldest and the favorite, of course, but yeah.
That's the first one of these I'm gonna have to bleep. Beautiful. Stream close up on the tears. What's been your favorite part about, realizing this, getting it to actualization?
I get to make a lot of people happy just by doing what I love, because I love cooking. It's just fun. This is not gonna be work. This is gonna be excitement every day, day in, day out. Get up happy to do it, go to sleep, can't wait to do it tomorrow. It's everything to me. Wings coming up! What do I hope they say?
Yeah, about your food.
I just hope they just start moaning. Don't even say nothing, just chew and just, that's it. You ain't have to say much.
So you're already thinking for the future. Are you thinking more trucks or a restaurant? What are you thinking?
Both. Both. A bigger truck and of course a building later.
Good day.
Tony.
She was fine. She was fine. I was just very impatient because I was ready. I was like, wait, I want to talk to you every day. She with somebody else. Yeah, I get it. She's busy, but it happened. And I love it. I love it.